learned a lot about myself this year in Accelerated Mathematics 3. I learned that I can apply old concepts to new material to solve old problems. I did this a lot this year, actually. Taking something from factoring and applying it to graphing a quadratic equation. Gosh, I didn't even think I'd be talking like that at the beginning of the year. But I'm glad I learned all that. And I'm glad that I learned that about myself, that I can take something that I've learned, that I already know, and use it to figure out something else. It's a very important skill to have in life. It can even be used to solve such things as trivial as social problems with your friends at school. Taking things you've learned in your past and learning how to apply them here. Something I'll never forget about this year is learning sequences and series. This is because with this, the Fibonacci series in particular, spirals can be created using squares of the exact perimeter of the Fibonacci series. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. And this eventually creates a widening spiral, ever widening, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. This type of spiral was used by nature, of all things, quite a celebrity, to develop the spiral that you see here in rose petals. Ever widening, until finally you have this beautiful rose. Lovely. One thing that I didn't like this year is trigonometry. I thought that was going to be the death of me. But I learned that it has distinct implications in forensics. For instance, when somebody is attacked from long range, the exact coordinates of that person can be found by finding and solving the angles and dimensions of the triangle. See, the triangular coordinates of the victim are proportional to the shooter in every situation, just the same as I've learned here this year in Accelerated Mathematics 3. One thing that I really liked about this class was factoring, of all things, I know. Because it can be used in differential programming, which has applications of supercomputers and things as trivial as programming a thermostat in your living room. Personally, I like air conditioning, and I like being able to be cool in my own house. So, it's probably my favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that for future viewers, you learned as much as I have this year from Ms. McLemore in Accelerated Mathematics 3. Hope you all have a good year. Turn up, class of 2015.